Compact automatic motorbike washing system. Big efficiency. You only need a compact space of 2.5 meters wide and 8 meters long to install the Go&Go automatic conveyor belt motorbike washing machine, but the efficiency it delivers will astonish you. Even with limited space, the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine can operate efficiently and professionally. With a fully automated system, from the conveyor belt moving the bikes to the spray nozzles and scrubbing brushes, you can easily transform your small area into a modern motorbike wash station, attracting numerous customers with its speed and service quality. If you are interested in our automatic motorbike washing model and need detailed consultation, feel free to leave a comment or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.
Makes me feel like I was made for you. The storm in your eyes,